Imagine shopping in a store with no price tags. No one likes a guessing game when it comes to dollars, and this is especially true when it comes to your marketing spend. But with points-based pricing, you don't have to wonder how much your marketing will cost. Fixed point pricing is a model where digital marketing activities have been assigned a point value that correlates with a dollar amount. Here, every digital marketing service has a clear price tag and tangible features and benefits. And points are set based on the value of the service, not the time it takes to complete them. How does it work? You lead the discussion, and we find out what goals you want to focus on. We start with foundational work, the bread and butter of your marketing strategy, and can help you identify gaps in that foundation to determine if you just need a tune-up or to start from scratch. In most cases, it's a mix of both. From there, you purchase a monthly bank of points and work with your account strategist to decide what activities should be done within the month. We help you make strategic selections using recommendations based on jointly established goals. Think of it like a menu. You'll find multiple selections, including brand strategy, keyword research, competitor audits, content audit and strategy, website audit and strategy, and ad strategy review and creation. What happens next? Once you've built a solid foundation, we'll help you add on essential digital marketing services that help you realize the most value. Using insights informed by metrics and experience, we make recommendations for monthly maintenance activities to improve your website health, fine-tune your approach to ads, and keep your monthly content flowing for inbound leads. What else is on the menu? Let our strategic recommendations guide you to the next steps, including campaign-driven activities like email offers, HubSpot workflow setups, or webinars. We'll revisit the plan and help you adjust your points pricing regularly to stay on top of areas with the most need and biggest potential. Finally, what does fixed points pricing mean to you? It's predictable. You'll keep your budget in check no matter how long a project takes. It's flexible. Pivot your points monthly to align with a new plan or campaign. And it's a smarter way to work. Get more of what you need and none of what you don't. That's a price tag we can all appreciate.